Today we're unboxing the brand new JBL Charge 6. Let's see what's inside the box. The packaging highlights the Play and Charge feature. It's built for long sessions and even acts as a power bank. Quick heads up for buyers. JBL has gone eco-friendly, so there is no charger or USB cable supplied in the box anymore. Fresh out of the wrapper, the build quality feels rugged and premium right away. Powering it on for the first time, that classic JBL startup sound is crisp and clear. The included strap is a nice touch, but remember you'll need your own Type-C cable to keep this thing topped up. Now for the best part. The sound on this is incredible. The loudness for its size is shocking, and the bass quality is top tier. Look at those passive radiators work. Even at high volume, the audio remains balanced without any distortion. Charge 6 is a beast. Thanks for watching the unboxing on the Ecom Bench.